What's up, everyone? It's Dion with 901 Cravings, and welcome back to another video. And welcome back to another episode of Kitchen Experiment Chronicles Part 2. So in this video today, we are making cookies using my cookie recipe that I used from my previous video, which was the strawberry lemonade cookies. In this video, we're making candy corn cookies. Yeah, I had to take a dramatic pause. Candy corn. Who likes candy corn? But that's what friends of mine and people on Facebook been sharing statuses about candy corn and tagging me in like different statuses saying, "Hey Dion, here go pick up some candy corn cookies. Try making these. I would love for you to make these." And I'm just looking like, why? But yeah, that's what we're doing today. We are making candy corn cookies. But I am making a slight alteration to the recipe. So for this recipe, usually I would use 1/3 cup of oil. This time I'm using 1/3 cup of melted butter. That's right, melted butter. Yeah, because the butter is gonna hold the cookies better. It's gonna hold the cookies together better for me. Yeah, so let's get to it. And as you can see right here, I got all of my ingredients lined up. This is the box of cake mix that I'm using, Duncan Hines Butter Golden Cake Mix. You can use yellow or white, preferably butter golden because it's gonna help it give it that color. Or the classic yellow cake mix, either one is good. The candy corn. Just holding it makes me cringe. But yeah, I got a bag of candy corn right here. And so I decided to chop up my candy corn pieces because in a lot of the videos and pictures that I was seeing, people were just mixing in just the whole big pieces of candy corn into the cookie dough. And when they bake it, I'll just be honest, in my eyes, it wasn't looking the best. Like that cookie wasn't looking appetizing. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna take the candy corn pieces and I'm gonna chop them up. And that's what I did. And I'm gonna mix that into the candy corn. And then once the cookies bake, I'll place a whole candy corn on top of the cookie, just one, because you know candy corn is pretty big by itself. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to mixing. Open up, cake mix in. Hold up. And so like I said, we are using melted butter, not hot butter, just melted. You don't want to put hot butter into this because once you mix in the eggs, it's gonna probably cook the eggs or the hot butter. So you just want to melt the butter and then let it cool down, and then we're gonna add it on in our 2 eggs. One. Sit that in there because it's getting thrown away all at the same time. 2. And now we just mix this. Now for the candy corn. Now we just mixing this all together. Since I added in butter, usually what you do when making cookies, especially from scratch, you know, you use butter and then you sit the cookie dough in the fridge or freezer and let it rest and come together. You use butter instead of oil because butter is gonna help the cookie hold its shape more when it's baking, because butter is more of a solid fat than oil. So once the butter solidifies from you resting the cookie dough in the fridge or freezer and then it bakes, it's not gonna spread out as much. All right, let's go ahead and scoop these onto the cookie sheets. And I'll be honest, I think I'm gonna start using butter from now on if I ever do the cake mix cookies again, because I like the way this dough looks and how it usually do whenever I use oil, because when I use oil, it's usually a little bit more runny and kind of shinier. This looks more firm and more better. So yeah, go ahead and scoop these out. And now let's speed on through this. All scooped. And now let's go ahead and sit these in our fridge for about 30 minutes. And then we're gonna put them into our preheated oven that's preheated to 350 degrees and bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. And now, while our cookies are chilling in the fridge, a quick word from our sponsor, all right? So as many of you know right now, I am on this journey right now to get my health and my weight under control. And the main thing that has been helping me out is today's sponsor, which is Goalie Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies. Yes, y'all, this is today's sponsor, Goalie Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies. And when I say y'all, this is the best thing that I've been taking, y'all, these are amazing. These taste great. These don't have no bad taste. They're gummies. They're easy to take. They are vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO. Just amazing. And y'all, these help keep my appetite and my weight loss under control. It improves my immune system. It has plenty of vitamins in it. Y'all, this is the best thing to take because I've been taking 1 to 2 of them each morning to help me control my appetite throughout the day, and I am seeing results. Also, to many of us who are in the culinary field, whether you are a personal chef, a baker, a cook, a caterer, we all have those nights where we are restless, sleepy, stressed out, can't get enough sleep, barely running on fumes throughout the day. Well, Goalie has another product that helps you with that, and that is also their new ashwagandha gummies. Goalie has come out with the new ashwagandha berries to help you relax, unwind, and just have a smooth day. It is made with the clinically proven KSM 66 that helps maintain your cortisol levels at a good level to help you relax, be stress-free, and also be anxiety-free. And not only does that, they also help you sleep good at night by taking 1 to 2 of them per night. By taking these, y'all, my sleep has never been better. I wake up at a good morning instead of being a late bird waking up late in the day. I'm waking up early in the morning. Thank you to today's sponsor, Goalie. Y'all, these are worth the buy. And so, since I'm sponsored by Goalie, hey, I have a promo code for you, which is 901 Cravings. So if you go to goalie.com/901 Cravings, you will get 15% off your order. And besides using my promo code, I also have a promo link, which will be in the description box down below. So go to goalie.com and let's start this weight loss journey together to improve ourselves. Okay? Okay, the cookie dough has rested and it chilled off. So now let's go ahead and pop these bad boys into the oven. Cookies are all done. Okay, cookies are all done. I'll be honest, y'all, these look different. This is different. But then again, this would be Kitchen Experiment Chronicles if it wasn't different. And so I think what I'm gonna do with some of them, probably take like little bits and pieces of like the candy corn and drop them on top like that. To help give like a little bit of even more color. And looks like on some of them, the candy corn spread it out from the bottom of them, so yeah. But this is what happens in the kitchen when you are playing around, experimenting with stuff. This is what happens. But I'm also gonna put whole candy corns on top of some of them, and then we'll go from there, and then just let them completely cool off. All right, so I'm gonna get back to you in just a second. All right, everyone, so the cookies are all chilled, they done cooled down. Look at this. Sorry, I got company over now and they're gonna try out the cookies. It's my boy CJ.
Why you call him Cole?
And if y'all remember CJ, he was in the Japanese candy video from ways back, and now he's here to try the candy corn cookies. And guess what? Yeah, he's not a big fan of candy corn either.
Trash, garbage, slaw. If y'all remember, y'all know what slaw man complains.
Yeah, so, well, we about to get into trying these cookies, and let me actually show you how I staged them to look, mostly for the thumbnail. And these are how the candy corn cookies look, fully with the candy corn in the middle. You see, I made it all decorative. And now we're just waiting on one more person to come. But how do these look to y'all? It's different, I'll give them that, but okay, let's go ahead and get these reactions. All right, everyone, and we have CJ. Like I said, if you remember him from the Japanese snack video, he's back. And we have this lovely young lady.
Denise.
I was gonna say, like, are you going to introduce yourself?
You was going to introduce me?
I thought about it, but then I said, no, she can do it herself. But yes, this is Denise, who actually likes candy corn.
Come on down, trash lover. Got it.
Y'all some haters.
Nah.
So y'all can go ahead and dig into you want to.
I got a question.
What's up?
Hang on, that bitch sour, boy. That bitch
This is
sour.
good. It's so buttery.
Hold on, wait. Say that again.
It's really good.
No, the other part.
Oh, it's buttery.
What?
What? It's tantalizing your taste bud.
This
Bring-
guy's turn. Come on. You the main one that's gonna say. If it's actually good to you, then I might have to try it up myself.
All right, go look her. You almost had me. It's the buttery. It's buttery. That shit hidden. But then I taste the candy corn. Oh. Man, but hey, it's alright. It's alright. I might eat 3.
3.
I ain't
Oh,
gonna eat
damn.
that.
Whoa.
Damn. That real crackhead energy, you know that. I don't know what that be. I ain't gonna eat the actual candy corn. It's over with.
I think I actually gotta try it now.
Yeah, you do.
It's good.
This kitchen experiment. Oh Lord. I'm ready about to try this shit out.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, y'all. Sorry for cursing, but this is candy corn we're talking about.
I wouldn't do it. Oh my God. No, you ain't Squidward. No, you not Squidward. Might chunk it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Why?
Yeah. Enjoy the candy vegetables.
It's the cookie. Okay.
That's
The cookie is the best part.
Exactly. The cookie busting, not the candy corn part. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm going.
Yeah.
Going in for the big bite. This kitchen experiment, I guess you can say it was a success. Will I ever probably make this again or sell it?
Trash.
No. But it tastes good. Was it the most prettiest looking? No. But I'll accept it. I accept the cookie, not candy corn.
There you go. There you go.
You want to take these home with you?
Yeah.
So y'all official review. What do you think of the cookie?
That's right.
They were really good.
Cap.
I like the flavor. They were soft. Tastes just, like how homemade cookies supposed to taste.
All right, y'all. That's it for this video. They said it was good. Will I still ever like candy corn? No. Yeah, but that's it for this one. Tune in if y'all like the kitchen experiment episode series. Hey, keep commenting and let me know. All right, y'all. We out. Say bye.
Why? If it's supposed to be corn,
We're still on this?
we're gonna always be on it. It's right here. Why is 3 tones?
If it's supposed to be corn.
What corn you ate got 3 different colors?
It's fun.
Questions that need answers.
I'm ready for my close up.